Imagine building a beautiful professional website without coding or even spending a lot of money on web developers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to create a professional website from scratch like a pro. Open ChatGPT and you're seeing that we are there already on the platform of ChatGPT. So you're seeing many stuffs. On the left there is new chat. There is also create an image. You can also write or edit and so on and so forth. So here we are going to now type in. We are now going to type in our information that we want to search. They're saying help me to build a smart graphical well built layout website for my info tech and digital company. The INFOLAB Academy. With all website features. Like the website logo, navigation panel, user experience, in bracket, UX, content and visual design, inbuilt dashboard, about page, engagement and retention for ongoing sites, home page, new feed, analytics and insights. Copyright reserved, comma, then there is something I've forgotten to add. After news feed, I'll open my brackets and put upcoming events, then I close brackets. Thereafter, put a comma followed by analytics and trending insights. Research and innovation, pricing, gallery, partners, comma, terms and conditions, cookies policy, and let it have a graphics, color background of blue fused with white and gray. Then after I click on enter, so it's now going to generate my code. So I will wait for some minutes as it is generating my code. So as we are waiting for the results, please kindly subscribe, like, comment and share this video to see that it can reach to a greater audience. So back to our video. You're seeing that it is still generating our code from the HTML codes, and it is going to at the same time style the codes automatically. This is something which is simple. All these things that can be built within month, a year, can be built now within a short period of time, just minutes. So having finished to yield our code, you're seeing that they're showing us that it has yielded the professional logo section, repulsive navigation pad, smart dashboard, home page, about page, services section, analytics and trending insights, upcoming events, pricing plans, research and innovation, gallery, partners section, contact form, terms and conditions, cookies, policy, and so on and so forth. So now we are going to preview to see how our website will look or appear. So this is going to also take some little time as it is installing the packages. It is still installing the packages, but very soon it is going to preview how our website will be appearing. Remember, we are using ChatGPT to design a professional website within a few minutes, because many of you have been spending a lot of money on programmers to design for you the website, and it could sometimes take a lot of time. So here we are. Our website will appear like this. It will have the following. It will have the logo and the name of the website. So it will have the home menu, the about, as you can see, the services section, the pricing, the events that will be happening, research and innovation, It will also have the section of galleries, the images, and also the different partners that the institution or company will be partnering with. And lastly, the contacts. And as you can see, there are quick links, newsletter, and so on and so forth. Now we are going to stop it and go back to our code. You can share the code or copy it. If you found this video quite helpful and interesting to you, you can kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Let's meet in the next one. If you found this video quite helpful and interesting to you, you can kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Let's meet in the next one.